What's up everybody? Welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Winter is coming, which means that a lot of cars and a lot of off-road vehicles are going to be put up into storage because they're not going to be as useful, because things like this, where you have an open air top, you want to enjoy some of the warmer weather. This is more of a summer vehicle. So today we brought in this Can-Am Maverick 3 because we want to show you how to properly clean it, protect it before you put it away for storage. So let's get started. Now, as we all know, on a vehicle, whenever you're detailing, the dirtiest area is going to be the wheels, and on this vehicle, it's no exception. It's got dirt and a little bit of brake dust on its small little wheels, as well as any kind of road debris and kick up on the fender liners, as well as the suspension components. So I have a bucket here that I filled up with just a little bit of Diablo wheel gel, which helps to loosen and also carry off any kind of abrasive particles of mud, dirt, clay, or rocks. This way you're not scratching the surface. Because it has this glossy black finish and we don't want to add any kind of swirls or scratches, even though this vehicle is intended to go off-roading and get beat up, we still want it to look its best, which is obviously why we're detailing it. So we're going to just gently clean it, and also to help assist with the cleaning process, we use a little bit of sticky citrus wheel gel. You can spray that on your suspension components, you can spray it on the fender liners as well as the wheels and tires to remove old dressings, brake dust, road debris, and any kind of oils or kind of sling that's inside of your fender liners. This way you get a factory finish, and it's also a great way to prep the surface for any kind of dressing. So we'll start by rinsing it down. This will help knock down or help loosen up the heavier pieces of dirt, and then we'll spray it using sticky citrus wheel gel, and that's going to help, again, penetrate the surface so that we're lifting it up and not scrubbing it into the surface. So now, just using our hose with the Jetstream fire hose nozzle, this is a great addition to any detailing arsenal because it has a wide range from Jetstream to nice flow, so you can knock down any kind of abrasive dirt, anything that's really cluttered up in a certain area without having to really scrub. But it's going to come in great for this area because there's a lot of intricate pieces that we're working with, and this is going to, again, help loosen it and knock it down. Well guys, as you can see, the water, it made it look nice and clean and knocked off most of the heavier dirt and debris, but as you get closer to it, you can still see that there's a lot of dirt on there. It's not entirely clean yet, so we actually need to go in there and start scrubbing, which is why we have the sticky citrus wheel gel. And as I mentioned, you can spray it on the suspension, on the fender liners, as well as the wheel and tire. And we'll give this a moment to kind of saturate and help to penetrate the surface so that it'll safely bring up any kind of abrasive particles. So now all that's left to do is to rinse down the wheel as well as the wheel well, and then we have the other three wheels to jump on before we move on to the part that we're all here to see, the foaming process. Now, to wrap up the detailing process for today, we're going to jump right into the foaming of this Can-Am. Now today we're going to be using some Tough Mudder, which again is going to help lift up any of the embedded dirt, mud, clay, anything else that could be embedded on the pores of this actual vehicle. And we're going to be using our big mouth foam cannon because this produces a ton of thick suds, which helps lubricate the surface so we're not scratching into the painted areas, as well as help with the cleaning process so that we're not having to scrub too much. Now, tune in on Wednesday for the rest of the detail on this vehicle. I'm going to jump on this, and we'll see you guys next time.